Hello everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an opening and closing door with a click detector and a function. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get to home, click the part tool, and click block. The block should appear anywhere. Now, you have your block. So this is about 5 studs, and I'm going to size it the length to 5 studs. I'm gonna make it go up, and that's gonna be our door. And once you have that, delete all these welds inside because you're not gonna need those. And then rename the door, right click, rename the door to door. Or your part to door, sorry. I'm also gonna make this a wood material because it looks better in wood. Once you have your door, what I'm going to do is right click and duplicate the door. Either duplicate, click this button, or Control D. I'm going to click duplicate. Once you have that second door, you can see you can move it around, but we're not going to do that. In this case, this is going to be the close orientation of it, so it's just going to be in the same exact place. Do not move it or else it'll break the script that's inside. Also delete the welds again. So rename this door to close, the capital C. To have that, I want you to go over here to view, and as you can see you already have Explorer open, but then you're going to want to click properties. Once you're in properties, go down to transparency, set the transparency to 1, and scroll down to, collision, and make sure clean collide is unchecked. That's false, that's not working. Make sure it's unchecked. Then, Control D, close, or right click and duplicate. Whatever way works for you. Rename this to open, and then once you have your open, go back to home and rotate it the way you want, or you want the ending to be for the door. So in this case, I'm just going to put it right there. Delete the welds again. You don't need those. Okay, so that's our door. Now what you want to do, and this is where it's going to be when it opens, and then it's going to close again and go back to its original position. Now what you want to do is right click, or click any part you want of those three. So I'm going to start with close. You can do it in any order you want. Then hold Control and click all of them. So you should have door, open, and closed highlighted. Now you can either click Control G or right click and group as model. Okay, so once you have that model, you should see all 3 of these parts inside. Close door and open. Rename the model to whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it wooden door, I guess. And once you have named your part or your model, you're gonna want to click on the door, not the close, not the open, just the door, and click this plus right here, or you can just right click again. Right click and insert object, and then you're gonna want to add a click detector in, and then a script. And inside the script, you're going to want to add a bool value, and that's good, so we're going to make the door function. Rename the value to opened. Oops, God. Sometimes it gets me sometimes. Rename the script to door script, or anything you want. Then this is when we're going to start scripting. So click the door script, delete print hello world. So what once was here was delete print hello world. So delete this, all of that. We just need a blank script right now. So first thing we want to write is local model equals script, and we're making the variables right now, telling the script what we want it to use, and we're gonna write after that equals script.parent.parent.parent. Next line, next line, local door equals model dot door, sorry. And I'll also put the script in the description for you guys, and also put the model if you need another one. Then you're gonna want to go to line 3, local value, and now we're variable. Now we're gonna create the variable for the boolean value. This one, the opened value equals script dot open, and that's what we named it. So, and you can also click tab right here if you want a shortcut to get the text, shorten the text. Like you don't want to type it, it'll show up here. So I'll click tab opened dot value. Fourth line, local close equals model dot close. And then fifth line, and this is the last line of creating the variables, local open equals model dot open. Down to line 7, script dot parent dot mouse click connect function player, and down to line 8, if value equals false, then value equals true. So now we're going to be making the function for the when it's touched, that's when it's going to start up, and it's going to go to the other position of the open door. So that's what we're doing right now. Equals true, door dot position. Now creating the door opened right now, equals open. So the one we made earlier, position, door dot tab orientation, because I just got it there, equals open dot orientation. And then we're going to make an else if statement, else if value equals true, then value equals false. Now this is going to be where that closes, so when you click it again, click on the second time, that's going to close and go back to their original position. Door dot position equals close dot position, door dot orientation, not anchored, orientation equals close dot tab orientation. That's gonna be the end of the script. Put 2 lines down or something like that, I don't know. And now we're going to test it out. So, and also make sure that everything is anchored in this wooden door, or else the whole thing will just collapse and it's not gonna work. So yeah, make sure everything's anchored. So, and by doing that, you can either just click all of these and click anchored, or there's a faster way, just click the model and click anchored. And there you go. So now let's play. Okay, so once you're in the game, go to your door, and it works, just like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments for me, go down in the description and type them. If something's not working, I can always help you. I have a Discord, but it's not fired up yet, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.